Beautiful.
Nice.
This is Italian peasant bread, made in the real way, in a wood-burning oven. Beautiful, leathery skin. Right? That good olive oil. That'll be good. I really don't need this. That was my grandma's favorite line before she ate anything. You know I don't need this. All right, shit. You want a piece?
Sure.
That shit is the best. See, now these are starting to get how I like them. See all that liquid, all that rendered fat? That's basically going to be the basis of your sauce.
Wow.
So now I'm going to add the onions and the garlic. So once these become translucent, in about 5 minutes, we will add the tomatoes and simmer them. San Marzano, I have been told, are the best. I'm just fortunate to have an Italian deli by my house. Oh, shit. I don't really know what I'm doing, folks, and I never want you to think that I do. Now, personally, I'm really irritated when there's basil in my tomatoes. So I'm going to pick the basil out because it's gross. Look at that. Who wants that floating around? All right, so then once your onions are translucent, just dump your sauce in there, your tomatoes. You let it cook until it starts to get saucy. And you kind of break the tomatoes as you go. You're going to love this shit, dude, I'm telling you. All right, bucatini. It's like spaghetti, only there are holes down the tube. I don't even know how they make that, do you?
No, I have no idea.
All right, so that's going. So I was just in LA. I'm supposed to do an interview at some coffee shop.
Right.
In a part of town I never go to. And in the corner I see a guy at his computer and I recognize him because I've done Google research project on, who my ex-wife is with. And it's him. And I look at him, he looks at me, and I'm like, it's on, let's do this. I didn't say that. He gets up, he says, hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm like, hey, I'm Mark. And finally we meet, didn't know how it was going to be. It's a weird set of circumstances. I mean, I never come here. And he's like, I've never been here either. And I'm like, wow. Is Mishna coming? And he goes, yeah, she's on her way here now to pick me up. And I'm like, oh my God, did you text her and tell her I was here? And he said, no. I'm like, well, that's the difference between me and you. I would have texted her 3 times already. We talked a little bit about the cat that she was picking up. And then Mishna shows up and I see her sitting out there in the car and he's putting his computer shit together to get ready to go. And she's just sitting in there. So I walk out and I'm like, what's going on? She's like, nothing, everything's fine. I'm like, well, what are you up to? She goes, I'm picking up my fiance. I'm like, I get it, I just met him, I understand. She goes, how are you? I'm like, I'm all right, thanks for asking. All right, here he is. Pleasure. So I got some closure somehow. Take a tablespoon of freshly grated, oh, it's really freshly grated, Pecorino Romano, and put it in there, right? And stir it in so it melts into the sauce. It's hot, man. I don't know, Bill, maybe I'm too hot to be angry. What do you think?
Well, you can still have a good time without getting angry.
I can? I'm learning that. Let's have some snooze.